Okay, so student, the recording being started. So basically, some of the lecture we are going to upload into YouTube also. Maybe this session, if it's going good, no disturbance, then we will upload into YouTube. Okay, right? So I can say coordinate geometry today is day 3, but the second day also we revised everything, correct or not, for the new student. So basically, in that case, it is just day 2, coordinate geometry day 2. So till now, what we learn in coordinate geometry is, new student, you can watch the video, nothing to worry. Okay, till now we learn what is coordinate geometry definition and what are the things you are going to learn, basically topics. Anyone can tell me what are the topics we said under this? 3 different topics. Anyone knows that? Someone please unmute and tell me who attended last class.
Distance formula.
Distance formula, section formula, and area. Okay, when I say area, it's a polygon. Okay, and the great thing is this portion is deleted. Okay, and this portion we completed in the last class. Very detailed, and this is today. And great thing is that even though it's deleted, still I'll teach you because it's very much needed for your higher classes. Okay, guys, learning, the main objective is for what? Learning and concept. Okay, increasing your knowledge, for knowledge, concept, applying that in the real life. That's the main aim of learning. Okay, but scoring also very important. Okay, so these two for scoring and this is for knowledge. Okay, because anyhow that will become score for your 11th standard. Okay, so maths is a beautiful subject. Whatever you are learning in your 10th standard, that will come. Most of
Third
things
one
will
is
come.
polygon area, sir.
Yeah, polygon area. Yes, polygon area. Okay. So section formula, student. As I mentioned, distance is already over. Section formula. What is section formula? What is section formula? Section.
A point in which it divides a line segment in a ratio.
Okay, divides a line segment. Why it's called a section? Okay, guys, you have a line here. You have a line here. Okay, so if I put a point somewhere here, what will happen? The line is divided into 2 sections or 2 parts. Correct or not? If I put one more point, at 2 point will divide this line into 3 parts or 3 sections. So this section formula is going to give you a beautiful result, which point, a point which divides the line segment, AB in a particular ratio. What is the ratio? M is to N. Correct or not? For example, 10 centimeter line. If it is here 4 centimeter, means here 6 centimeter. So can you tell me this point is what means you need to find? This is what you are going to find. There is a 10 centimeter line. You need to find a point which divides the line segment into 2:3 ratio. What is the ratio? 2:3 ratio. What is the meaning of that, student? 2:3 means what? If it is 5 centimeter, then this side 2, that side 3. If it is 10 centimeter, this side 4 and this side 6. So if I ask this question, you can easily answer because we know very well straight line having only one coordinate, right? Because 1D. See the introduction, everything explained clearly. But the moment it's coming to 2 dimension, it's going to have 2 points. So it is bit challenging work. Okay, so we need a formula. Okay, guys, in general, these two are known points. Okay, x2, y2. So I know A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. Now the point P divides the line segment into which ratio? M is to N. The ratio is M is to N, like 2:3. Now what is this point? Okay, so the big derivation is there, but guys, it's a crash course. Okay, we don't have time for deriving every result. Okay, just remember this result that P of x comma y, the point is The formula, guys, listen the formula, even the formula, whatever I'm explaining, you are going to apply the same, right? So you are not going to memorize the formula. Even I'm not going to write the formula. I'm going to explain how to write the formula. Same thing you are going to write it while the problem is given. Clear? So the denominator is whatever ratio. Whatever ratio is what, student? M is to N or 2 is to 3. Whatever ratio. You just add that ratio and put in the denominator. Point number 1. And point number 2, numerator, what I need to do? Listen carefully. Very, very important. M2 here. Anyone can tell me the first point is called as abscissa or x coordinate, and second point is called as ordinate or y coordinate. So since this point is x coordinate, you are going to bring this x point and this x point combinedly. How can I bring? Very simple, student. Listen carefully. This you are multiplying here, and this side you are multiplying here. One thing you should be very clear with that, since it's x point, so I'm multiplying with x, but not this way. Please see that. From here to here, this n2 here. What is the answer then? mx2. You are multiplying these two plus nx1. Same thing. Anyone can tell me applying the same rule for y. Any ninth student?
ny2.
my2, ny1. Excellent. There are not. That's all. So guys, you are not going to remember this formula. The method which I explained, that's what you have to remember. What you need to write in the denominator? Sum of the ratio. In the numerator, x coordinate and y coordinate. Answer is ready. Right, students? So this formula, basically, the point which is splitting this line into two sections is present inside. That's why the point is called as internally. Internally, the point is present internally. So basically, this point is called as a point present R6, dividing the line into two parts internally. Internally, okay. So the question will come, okay, which way? But internally is the one majority of the time will be asked, okay. Sometime they will ask externally. Sir, what is that, sir, externally? Sometime what will happen, student? A point is there, a point, okay, a point AB is here, student. AB is here. But the point here in between AB, but sometimes the point is outside. So this is called as the point present externally. This time in which ratio it will divide means PA. What is the meaning of M? PA is to PP. But here what you'll say? PA is to PP. How it's going? You see the ratio. So this PP is covers what? This also. Okay. So sir, I'm not clear with that. Nothing to worry. The point is x comma y. All you need to do, 4 changes. 4 changes. Wherever you have a plus is there, you need to change to minus. So how many plus are there in the formula? 1, 2, 3, 4. All these 4 plus will be changed to minus. That's all. Answer is ready. So who is going to say that? So P of x comma y is all 4 plus change to minus mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n. So this is called as externally. Okay. So if you know one point, or if you know this formula, you can answer this easily. Clear or not? Everyone? Clear or not?
Yes,
Now say yes or no.
Yes,
Right. Right. So section formula, continuation of the section formula, there is a special case of section formula. What is that, sir? What is that? That's called as midpoint, student. That's called as midpoint. Now also A is here, B is here, and P is here. When this point is midpoint, student, same rule, x1, y1, x2, y2. When this point is midpoint, Can you tell me what is the ratio will be? It is 5 means 5, 10 means 10. What is the ratio? What is the ratio? Guys, if both are equal, mean what is the ratio? 1:1, correct or not?
Yes,
If it is
sir.
1, that side 1. If it is 5, that side 5. That's called as 1:1 ratio. So this will happen only when where? That point you said na, the P. It is present internally, and it's placed exactly in the midpoint. So that time this P actually denoted by m of x comma y, that is midpoint. Anyone can tell me midpoint means always internally, student. Midpoint means there is no external, correct or not? The moment is a midpoint, it should be internally only. So what is the formula for this, student? Anyone can tell me, if you put m equal to 1, n equal to 1, then how this formula will be changed? Guys, think that m will become 1, so it is x2, and n also will become 1, x1. So x2 plus x1, 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Similarly, y1 plus y2 by 2. So the midpoint formula is, student, very important formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Internally we can say, or in general we can say, what you can say, the average of x coordinates, comma average of y coordinates. Correct or not? It's an average, na? It's an average. So this is midpoint formula, is derived from section formula. Right, student? There is one more thing. There is one more thing you should know, that something called centroid. This you might know in your physics. You might know already in your physics. No, sir. Centroid is what? Intersection of the median. Guys, there are 4 different center in a triangle. Anyone knows that? Centroid, orthocenter, incenter, circumcenter. Okay. So now we are discussing only centroid. What does centroid means? Intersection of the medians. Now the question is, what is median? A line segment which connects a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called as median. Okay, so many things. This is what connection, student. Maths is a beautiful subject. The reason, because of whatever you learn in your 9th standard, it will come here. Correct or not? You all know median, what is it? But now I ask the definition, you know what, you don't know what is the median. Anyhow, now we are not going to spend much time on that. All I'm going to say, if I ask what is centroid, centroid means the formula will be centroid always for the triangle, student. Centroid always for the triangle.
Triangle.
Okay, x1 y1, x2 y2, and x3 y3. In your physics you might learn, this is the place, basically it's a center of gravity will be always point. The moment you know center of gravity where it's lying, you just put your finger or needle, that object will be, stay on that place. It will not fall down or fall down. Are you clear? So that's very, centroid is that much very important role. But I'm going to give you a beautiful formula, that g equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. How this is working, student? x1 plus x2 plus by 2 is midpoint. This is 3 point, na? So this also average only. This also average. Again, I'm saying that we are not going to share the derivation now because of the time. Because of the time. Else, I used to derive all the formulas. That itself will take one class. That itself will take 1 hour to understand all the formulas. Right, student? Okay. So only these formulas are there under section formula. Clear? This is a way, student. How we learn distance, now section. That's all. How are you going to apply this? We are going to solve the problem. Are you clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes.
Clear? This is the way, guys, you have to learn. Every chapter, if you are learning like this, you see, the maths is difficult? No. Maths is a beautiful subject again. Clear or not? Sir, it's only maths is like that. Every subject having like this, student, but in maths bit easy, because the moment you understand the concept, everything is automatic. But other subject, we cannot do like that. You have to remember so many things. Clear or not? But maths is so easy, student. Maths is so easy. If you are really seriously following that, then you will understand. Yes, max is really easy. The only thing is you feel that, oh God, I came to know. You came to know last minute, correct or not? Last 3 months, but it's okay. It's okay. Clear or not? You didn't come on the last month, right? Guys, I'm taking NCRT as usual, NCRT examples, then some exercise question, then we'll go for what? Previous year question. Clear?
Yeah.
So for this, every time section formula, guys, I'll draw the diagrams too. What diagram mean? Don't worry. One straight line, 2 points, and one more point. Just I'll mark. Sir, how to find that, sir? This is section formula question. It's very clear now. You need to find the coordinate which divides a line into 3:1 ratio. 3:1 ratio. So what is this point? 4, minus 3. What is this point? 8,
8,
5. You need to find this coordinate, find the coordinates which divides this line into this ratio. Are you crystal clear, my dear students? What is
Yes,
this
sir.
point? How are you going to find? As I mentioned, I'm not going to write the formulas. I'm not going to write the formula. Directly, I'm going to write. Who remember that? What I need to write in the denominator. But guys, repeated student don't answer. Okay, some new student can try. 3 plus 1, maybe the 9th student. What I need to write in the denominator according to the formula which I discussed. Any 9th student? Guys, I'm giving opportunity to the 9th student. I want to know Pratnesh and Vijaya Sriram. Do you follow the class? No? No? Okay, someone else. Someone else can tell me.
4, sir.
4, sir.
4, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus, maybe for first time I'll write 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. What I need to write in the numerator? I told you this is x coordinate. 3 into 8, 1 into 4. Don't change it. 1 into 4. Don't put 3 into 4, 1 into 8. It's wrong. See here, 3 into 8, 1 into 4. That's what I explained the formula. 3 into 8 is what? 24. 1 into 4 is what? 4. Now coming to that, 3 into 5 is what? 15. Because y point
15.
now. 1 into minus 3, minus 3.
Minus 3.
Right. Aadhishankara, you are trying to write something on my screen, red color. No annotation, student. No annotation. Okay. I'll stop. I'll disable the annotation. Okay. Okay. So next simplification, student. Hereafter, I'll change the bracket to like kind of open bracket. Okay. 8 by 4. Correct or not? 8 by 4. Sorry, not 8 by 4. 28 by 4. 15 minus 3 is what? 12 by 4. So can you tell me what is the answer? 28 by 4 is what? 7. 12 by 4 is what? 3. You got 2 marks, student. You got 2 marks. So that's all. Only marks for this. Easy or not? Everyone, how to find a point which divides a line segment into that given ratio? Guys, any doubt? Ask me. Priyanka, you tell me. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sure, na? No doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Appreciate it. Good. In what ratio? In what ratio? Guys, this question is different. Earlier question, ratio were given. You need to find the point. This time, the point is given, but you need to find the ratio. But diagram is same. I'll draw the diagrams too. One straight line. So whenever this kind of question, simple work, student, hardly how much time? In a minute, you will draw that. Clear or not? This is point B, this is A, and this is B. And A point is what? A point is what? Minus 6, 10.
Minus 6, 10.
B equal to what? 3, minus 8. And B point also, you know, this is the grid. Clear or not? This is the point. Is going to divide. So you need to find the ratio. You need to find the ratio. Guys, what I'm trying to say, you need to find the ratio. How are you going to find the ratio? Two English letters, correct or not? Means two variables. In mathematics word, they will say that two variables, two unknowns. Guys, I'm going to give you one beautiful, very important thing, student. For example, if I say the ratio can be anything, na? It can be 2:3, it can be 5:7, it can be 10:3, correct or not? I don't know what is that ratio, but it can be irrespective of any ratio. Can I write one ratio 1:3/2? This ratio 1:7/5. 1:3/10. What I did, see here, student, I divide both the number by 10. So I'm keeping the first ratio. What, student? I'm keeping the first ratio is 1. Basically, both are same. Basically, these two are same, correct or not? Guys, 7th standard, 6th standard max ratio, correct or not? 2:3 is nothing but you divide both 2. It's allowed in max, clear or not? You can divide the ratio. So 2 is cancel 1. So basically, simply what I will say, blindly, if you want to follow, you put 1, whatever is here, you put it here. Are you clear? Are you clear? Sir, why you are saying that now? That is what, instead of the first ratio.
Sir, even we can take as 2/3, sir.
Yep. Else you can take what? 2/3:1. You can change like that. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
This way also correct. Okay, anything is okay. Both, basically this, all three are equal. So why you are telling, guys, instead of two variable, if I put one variable, my workload is reduced. Max means how many unknowns, that much problem, student. If it's one unknown, it's easy. 2, 3 is the difficult. So I'm trying to make it reduce the unknowns. I'm trying to reduce the unknowns. So since we know the beautiful property, I reduced it, student. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the same formula. Guys, I'm going to apply the same formula. What is the formula? P of -4, 6 is equal to, what is the denominator? Who listened properly? Denominator. Darun Sankar, do you remember what I need to write in the denominator? Guys, some new student, okay? Same student answer every time. No, that's not correct, na? So we'll give opportunity for everyone. I will call particularly Darun Sankar. What I have written in the denominator. You see here, Darun Sankar. You see, 3:1 means 3 plus 1.
Sir, he's not there, right, sir?
He's not there. Darun Sankar is not there. Okay. Okay, maybe someone else then. Someone else. Someone else who is willing to answer.
Sir, 1 plus n, sir.
1 plus n. Excellent.
1 plus n.
1 plus n. 1 plus n. Right? What I need to write in the numerator. Listen carefully. What? Same mantra. 1 into 3, 3. N into -6, -6n. Correct or not? 1 into 8, -8. N into 10, 10n. That's all. Guys, hardly how much time I took. Right? Very simple, right? Now I'm going to leave the decision. Guys, if we equate this to this or equate to this, your choice. Your choice. But I feel this seems simple now. So I'm going to equate this guy to this -4. So 3 minus 6n upon 1 plus n equal to -4. Correct or not? This part equal to this part. So now what do you need to do? Just cross multiplication. Correct or not? 3 minus 6n equal to -4. -4n. Guys, bring this guy to here. What is the answer? Plus 4n. So can I write -2n directly? Don't write too many steps. Don't write too many steps.
-2,
Clear? -2n and 3 this side. What is that?
-7.
-7. So 7 minus cancel. So which implies
n is equal to
7/2. But many students leave
By
the
2.
answer like this. Guys, no. The question is not the value of n. The question is what is the ratio?
Ratio will be
please leave
2:7.
So you have to say required ratio. Required ratio is what? 1:n. So 1:7/2. 1:7/2. This answer is correct, but it's not a bit polished. Correct or not? So if I come reversely, guys, wait. Okay, everyone should know now. If I I can say 2:3 can be written as 1:3/2 means if you come reversely, whatever denominator is there, you can put it here. Clear or not? So according to that, I can put 2 here. So this answer can be written as 2:7, but both are correct answer. Both are correct answer. Once you finish that, nicely box it. See here. What a beauty, student. What a beauty. The presentation, how nicely. Instead of wasting your time, sir, 10 lines I have to write. 5 lines I have to write. No, reduce number of lines. Present neatly. Clear or not? Present neatly. Clear or not? The answer who is correcting your paper, nicely they will give mark, they will leave the place easily. Give the opportunity to the teacher. Right?
Sir, we
After
can write
attending my
any
class.
ratio.
Huh?
2:n, 1:n, any ratio we can write.
Megul, I didn't get. What?
2:n also ratio we can conclude here.
No, your voice is not. Can you talk bit clearly using your mic? Or someone else hear him properly? Can you repeat his question? Anyone else heard him properly?
Now you can hear
No?
me, sir.
Okay. Yeah, now better. Tell me.
Sir, that 1:n, any ratio we can write, like 2:n.
You are saying 2:10 here?
Yeah.
No, that is difficult, na? How come you are? Then again, what? You need to keep one ratio. This is the best ratio. Clear or not?
Yes,
Clear
sir.
or not? Your question is like this. Okay, you are saying that, sir, if my ratio is considered 7:5, so instead of, I said one ray, you can write what? 5/7. You are asking instead of 1, can I keep 2? What you need to do? This will be, the moment you are putting 2, this will be 10/7. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the way, right? You can change it, but why? One is easy, na? Exchanging is easy if you are keeping 1. Clear or not?
Yes,
From
sir.
here to here to here, it's easy if you are keeping 1 ratio as 1. Am I right or not? I appreciate your question. Maybe, it's an eye opener for everyone. So keep 1 always. Don't get confused. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
someone wants to know how big the same question is done in your textbook, then you will appreciate this method. How much, if you are keeping 2 variable, it is kind of, you see here, 2:7. Are you clear? This is the way you see here. I'm sure that most of the teachers follow 1:10 only, but if you are keeping 2 variable, how much time it takes? You see here, everyone following me. Just in my method, only 2 lines. Only 2 lines. Other things are simplification. One is writing, simplification. Answer is ready. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Find the coordinates of the point trisection. What is the meaning of trisection, student? Trisection is what? Anyone knows that? What is the meaning of trisection?
Divided into 3 sections, right, sir?
Yes.
Divided into 3 sections or divided into 3 equal sections? Divided into 3 equal sections. 3 equal sections. Guys, the midpoint that you learn now, that's called as bisection. Midpoint is called as bisection. Trisection. So you know that, right? If I want 2 section, I need 1 point. If I need trisection, need 3 section, I need 2 points. Clear? So I need 2 points in the middle. I don't know where, somewhere between that. Clear or not? Somewhere between that. So that the 2 point, let me mark this first, okay? Whatever given point. So now you need 2 points in the middle. So maybe I'll mark P and Q. In such a way, these 3 lengths are equal. Sir, seems like it's not equal, sir. Guys, it's a rough diagram, okay? Don't expect I have to put here properly. Okay, somehow you have to assume that this AP, PQ, QB, all three are equal. Crystal clear or not? All three are equal. So if I put the ratio 1, 1, 1, you can say like that. But according to AB, with respect to AB, anyone can tell me. Just forgot this. Can you tell me what will be the ratio? If I put 1, 1, 1 means this side 2, this side 1. Agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Can I write 1:2, student? The ratio is 1:2. Even though they didn't give the ratio,
Yeah.
shall I write 1:2?
Yes, sir. Only for P, right, sir?
Only for P. What about Q? Same way. This side 2 parts,
Two
this side
to
1
one.
part.
One
2:1.
part, yes, sir.
Are you clear, guys? Done. You have the ratio. Now it's same like the question number. This question, yes, I know the ratio. I know 2 points. I know how to find this value. See your student. Board exam question little difficult. Okay, we will solve. Okay, when I'm solving this board exam question. So next whole session, student, I'm going to solve all the board exam question. But the worksheet will be given today itself. Clear or not? All the quality question will be shared with you today itself, and the next class completely devoted for what? That doubt clarification. Are you clear? So your duty is what? Today you have to, whatever I'm sending, you have to finish everything. And today is which day, student? Today is Tuesday, right?
Tuesday.
So when we are meeting Thursday, you just be ready with your doubts. At least be ready with your doubts. Okay, so coming to that. So how to find, guys, all you need to find how to find the point P and how to find the point Q. First P, be ready. Right. So what is in the denominator? Guys, I'm not going to consider this. Forget this. Okay. Using scale, you can hide this. Okay. Now only this point is there. Or some student may be having difficulties on visualization. You put this P separately, student. Okay. If you are having visualization problem, some people are keeping for the both the points in the middle. I am getting confused. Sorry, 1:2. You can keep separately and you can just refer this and write the points. Are you clear? So 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
2 is what? 3. Or you
3.
can write 1 plus 2. Then what is that? 1 into 7. 1 into minus 7 is what? Minus 7.
Minus 7.
Minus
2 into
7.
2 is what?
4.
4.
Plus 4. Now 1 into 4. 4. 2 into minus 2.
4.
Minus 4.
That's
Minus
great. What is
4.
the answer? What is the answer? Minus 7. So minus 3 by 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3
Minus
by
3.
3. 0 by 3. The answer is minus 1 comma 0. Answer ready? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Now, how are you going to find Q? How are you going to find Q? Guys, I'm getting some noise. Who is that? I'm getting some noise. Okay. Make sure that you are putting in the mute, keeping on mute. Okay. So Shivani, is most of them your friend? Just tell me how many of the friends today your friends are.
Sir, Anya, Srishti, Anushri, Sudeep.
Oh, thank you. Okay. So this is 2:1. 2:1. So same A point, student. What is that? 2 comma minus 2 and minus 7 comma 4. Are you ready? Denominator is what? Same. Instead of 1 plus 2, you can write 2 plus 1.
2
Same
plus
denominator, 2 plus 1. What is in the numerator? This time 2 into minus 7, minus 14. 1 into 2, what is that? 2. Comma, what is the next? 2 into 4, 8. 1
8.
into that,
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
what is that? This value?
Minus 12.
Minus
12.
minus 12 by
12.
3. Here 8 minus 2 is what? 6 by 3.
6.
The answer is
By 3.
minus 4
Minus
comma
4.
Minus 4
here or
comma
not.
2.
Everyone,
Yes,
this is also repeated question in the board exam. You will understand when you are seeing the question which I am going to share. Any doubt, student? Any doubt? Priyanka, you have to tell me any doubt.
Sir, is there any other method to find trisection, sir?
Yeah, there is a beautiful formula is there, but I don't want to teach that new formula. Guys, learning too many formulas, right? It's a hectic. Okay, there is a direct formula is there. price section, there is a direct formula, okay, but I don't want to confuse guys, because sometime they are asking this in the 3 mark 4 mark question, okay. If it is really lengthy, I am okay to give the formula. Normally I hate formula, correct or not? Normally I don't like formula, okay. Even that's why if you see that, am I writing formula majority of the place? No, I'm not writing the formula, okay. So trying to give the best, okay, so no need of the formula, okay. I'll share maybe for you and in the last, okay.
Okay, sir.
What is this? Is nothing, okay. The formula is going to be what? If you put 1:2, what is that? I know that 1:2. So if I keep the, so it is 1 into 1x2, 2x1, something like that, okay. Direct formula, I mean, that's the one shoot, nothing more, okay. Nothing more. From that only you can derive. Clear? So next question, very important question, student. Repeated question in your board exam. Repeated question in your board exam. Okay, what is that? Sri Vaishnavi, are you there? Sri Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You clear?
Yes, sir.
You tell me, Sri Vaishnavi, have you done the last class homework? I forgot to ask, guys. I gave around 10 questions as a homework. I know that Tarun told some issues, okay, and his father. Rest of them, no response, guys. If you are not doing it, do it, and make sure that the moment we are going to finish a chapter, okay, next class is the last class for the chapter. So when I'm going to give the worksheet, finish everything and make sure that, don't think that we'll do it later. Later mean you will not come, student. Later will not come. Only thing is repeated practice, clear or not? I don't know how much time you have, but for max you have to devote every day 2 hours to minimum 2 hours for max, along with your other classes. Sorry, apart from your other classes. Are you clear? Whatever you are attending other class, every day 2 hours. Clear? So per week around 15 hours you have to devote to. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Then only, guys, then only this 3 months, whoever going to devote 2 hours for max, then that mark sheet is going to be with you. It's not like 9th or 8th. It's going to be with you throughout your lifetime. So scoring centum in max is a lifetime achievement. It's once, you know, I'm not getting chance. Correct? I didn't score centum in my max 10th standard. But now, even though I know so much, will I get an opportunity? No, no chance, student. Opportunity will not be given. So make sure that do your best these 3 months. Okay. So guys, this time what is happening is here. Guys, go to mute. I am getting some noise. I said I'm getting some noise. From whom I'm getting sound? Siley.
Sorry, sir.
No problem, no problem. Okay. So guys, this time what they said. See here, this is a very, very important question. Okay. P, a point P. What is the ratio? Guys, till now what we noticed, ratio is given mean they will ask the point. Our point is given mean they will ask the ratio. But this time, ratio also not given, point also not given. So if I put a point x comma y, ratio 1:n, it's a difficult, correct or not? Everything variable. But see that the beauty is there. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides. This is where the beauty is there. When y-axis, when this point is in the y-axis, student, what will happen? Your x coordinate automatically 0. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the beauty of this problem. The x coordinate is automatically going to be 0. Guys, rest of them are same. This is what idea, student. The general is going to be same everywhere. But when you are seeing the problem, it looks different because of this initial point. The moment you know in y-axis x equal to 0, automatically this problem can be proceed without any doubt. So p of 0 comma y. Guys, I didn't change even any of my method. Just I'm following the whole same entire topic. I'm following only one mantra. Correct or not? Correct or not? I'm not changing anything so that you'll feel happy. Too many steps, too many things, it will get confused. Clear or not? So now what I need to write in the numerator? 1 into minus 1. You see,
Minus
same method.
-1.
N into 5, 5n.
5n.
1 into minus 4.
Minus 4.
minus 4,
N into
Minus
minus 6.
minus 6n,
Guys, what next? It's a variable. I cannot do further proceed. But you see it carefully. This value equal to 0. This value equal to y. But I don't know. I cannot find. If you equate this to y, what will happen? Can you find y? No, you cannot find y.
No,
no,
sir.
So
sir.
what is the steps? What is the steps? Listen carefully. You have to equate this guy to 0 so that you will get n. The moment you will get n, which is ready, find the ratio is ready. Find the ratio is ready. Clear or not? So I'm going to equate this guy y1 minus 1 plus 5n upon 1 plus n equal to 0, which means this entire component is 0. Correct or not? If the answer is 0,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
meaning, student?
0.
The numerator has to be 0. Correct or not? No matter what is there in the denominator. No matter what is there in the denominator, the answer is 0. The numerator has to be 0. But people will say, you bring this and multiply, you will get 0. That's what our habit. Correct or not? You bring this and multiply. But in general, what is the truth behind this? A ratio is 0 means the numerator must be 0. So minus 1 plus 5n equal to 0. Guys, 5n equal to 1. So n equal to 1 by 5. Agree with me or not?
Yes, sir. 1
N
by 5.
equal to 1 by 5. Many students ending the answer like this and they are coming out from the exam hall. No. Read the question. They are asking ratio. Yes. Oh, I have
Required
to write that.
ratio is 5:1.
Required ratio is 1 is to n. So 1 is to 1 by 5 or 5 is
5
to
is
1.
to 1.
Okay. Shall we come out from the exam hall with this? You have to read the question further. Also find the point of intersection. You need to find the point of intersection. Already I know one point is 0, x coordinate. What is the value of y coordinate? That's what you need to find. Sir, what can I do, sir? You need to substitute this n to here. Are you clear? Don't forget. Find the
So
ratio
we
is
can
correct.
take as y is equals to minus 4 minus 6n by 1 plus n.
Y equal to what? Yeah, you are right. That's what I'm saying. Y equal to
Okay,
this
sir.
ratio. This ratio, that's what I'm saying. Okay. So now, very important. Okay. Reading the question is very, very important. Okay. Let me find the point of intersection. Already I know one point. The other point is y. Let's take this value. So y equal to minus 4 minus 6n upon 1 plus n. Guys, minus 4 minus 6. But some student will write n as 1. No. N is 1 by 5 only. It's a changed ratio. Clear or not? Your n is
Yes,
what?
sir.
1 by 5 only.
1 by
Okay,
5.
upon 1 plus 1 by 5. Guys, simplify and let me know the answer. So what is that? Do you know how to make the fraction additions, everything, student? Right? This is minus 6 by 5. Correct or not? It's minus 6 by 5. So minus 20 minus 26. So minus 26 upon 5. 1, 5. So 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
6 by 5. Do you know or not? Guys, it's equal to changing, right? 1 by 5, what will do? 6 by
Yes,
5,
sir.
correct or not? 6 by 5.
Yes, yes.
5 is cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 26 by 6, which is equal to cancel by 2.
Minus 13 by 3.
Minus 13 by 3. So now, please write the answer at the final. First, write the required ratio again. Why, sir, I have to write? Guys, don't think teacher is having so much of time to read your everything. No, they want this answer directly. So if you are writing everything at the final properly, student, they will give the mark, they will go. Correct or not? Correct or not? Required ratio and required point. Required point. Required point is what? 0,
0,
comma.
minus 13 by 3.
See here, how nice.
So we have to
you are
keep in
writing.
decimal or what, sir?
No. Keep it in the fraction, student. No problem. Don't change it to decimal. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you put in the decimal again, it will go to non-terminating. Correct or not? If it is a terminating, at least you can put it's non-terminating.
Yes,
Correct or not? You know how to find. I'll teach you in the real number how to find the number is going to terminate after how many digits it will terminate. Okay, we'll see all those things. Part of your chapter number 1, right? Right or not?
Yes, sir.
Only few of them responding for every time. Rest of them
Yes, sir.
are saying yes. Right. So if the points are given, okay, are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in the order, find the value of p. Okay, this also repeated question, student, in your what board exam. Okay, you can see that. Okay, by this time you should know what kind of question asked in my board exam, guys. Repeatedly I'm saying that. Okay, board exam, preparing answer for the board exam is an art, student. Okay, solve all the questions, make sure that you are thorough with everything. Clear or not? Okay, so a equal to what? 6,1, b equal to what? 8,2, and c equal to what? 9,4, and d equal to 3,
3,3.
Now they are telling that this is a parallelogram. Parallelogram property, even 9th students should know that. So many properties, opposite sides are equal, this is equal, that is equal, so many. If you go to that, it is you have to apply easy technique to find the value of p. Clear or not? I know one easy technique. One easy technique is what? You can find the distance here using distance formula and find the distance. These two distances are equal. Correct or not? These two
Yes,
distances
sir.
are equal. But if you go that way, it's a tedious. Instead, parallelogram, there's a beautiful property that diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisects means the
Bisect each
midpoint
other.
of the midpoint of
Oh.
this diagonal has to be equal to midpoint of this diagonal. Are you clear? This is a beautiful
Yes, sir.
property. You are going to apply it here. So simply you'll write in parallelogram diagonal bisects.
Sir, even for like these questions also we have to write given and all, sir.
No need of given, guys. No mark for given. Okay. If your score is less than 30 something, you are need to get the pass mark, then they will give some mark for your what given those things. Clear or not? Okay. But no step marks, no given data. That's all. Not carry any marks. Okay. So now what diagonal bisect means what? Midpoint of AC has to be equal to, I can write midpoint of BD first because keep the variable on the left hand side. Keep the variable on the left hand side. Midpoint of BD equal to midpoint of AC. Sir, how to find midpoint? Guys, just now we discussed in the first few screen. How to find the midpoint? Average of this. Average of this. How to find the average? P plus 8 by 2. Correct or not? What is the x coordinate? P plus 8 by 2. P plus 8 by 2. What is the y coordinate? 3 plus 2 by 2.
2 plus
2
3
by
by
2.
2.
What is AC? Coming to this. 6 plus 9.
9.
Bolo,
6
plus
plus
9
9
by
by 2.
6 by 2.
1 plus
4
4 by
4
2.
plus 4 by 2.
So now guys, you can verify this. What is that? 5 by 2. Are you checking that 5 by 2? Yes, it is equal. Correct or not? It is equal. But I'm not
Yes,
worrying
yes.
on this guy. I'm not worrying on this guy. They are equal. My variable is here. You need to find the value of P. So equate this value to this value. Are you ready? So P plus 8 equal to 2 okay? So you have 2. Now P plus 8 equal to what?
6 plus 9.
15.
15.
So P equal
Yes,
to
sir.
15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 9. 15 minus 8? No. 15 minus 8 is what? 15 minus 8? 7.
7, sir.
Anyone having doubts? Anyone having doubts? Anyone having
No, sir.
No, sir.
doubts? Guys, ask me if any doubt. Trust me, student, your what this one, what is that? Examples are over. Okay, which means you understand the concept of section formula. In what way the question will be asked? Clear or not? I'll show you the real things in the board exam question. Okay, but you should know that how the concept is working by solving these examples. Yes or no, everyone? Section formula crystal clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You learn a different varieties, how you are applying the midpoint point and centroid, everything. Now I'm going to take one more problem. This is not example, this is from exercise. As I mentioned, my duty is what? Touching every flavor one question. So in that flavor, doing n number of problems, it's your responsibility, right, my dear student? Clear or not? When I'm saying flavor, what, guys? There are, there are like this, some sweets is there, some sweets are there. What I will do, I will take some samples. I'll explain how to eat this food, how to have this food. Take one sample, I'll feed you. Rest of the things is your duty. Clear or not? Like this, here so many items are there. I will feed one thing. Rest of the similar thing, you have to take it. Clear or not? This is what I'm saying, that I will teach you all flavors. Means I will not miss whatever item is there. I will feed you. But your duty is sit and eat the rest of things on that particular flavor. Are you clear, student? Are you clear? So why I'm taking this question? That's a reason, student. Even though this question section formula people will think easy, but there is a little little trick is there, a little difficult is there. I'll tell you what is that. Okay, a comma b, 2 points. What are the points? -2 comma -2. B point, what is that? 2 comma -4. Now guys, a point P lies here. Now same problem, student. You need to find the coordinates of P. Means what is this value? As usual, if the points are asked me, they have to give the ratio. Ratio, whether they are giving. Yes, sir, they are giving 3/7. We know that
Yes.
m is to n means m/n. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
M is to n, m by n
Yes,
equal.
sir.
Can I write 3:7? Is it correct or not? Is it correct or not, guys?
Wrong, sir.
Sir, here we'll
Wrong.
take
Wrong,
Yes,
7
sir.
AP is equals to 3 AB, right, sir?
3 AP, except.
Yes. So you have to be very careful, student. You just adjust this question, okay? You don't want to worry that. I'll tell you how to deal with that. AP by AB equal to 3/7. Agree with me or not? I'm
Yes,
bringing
sir.
AB down. So means the ratio is what, student? What ratio you need? I need AP, then BP. Clear or not? But the ratio is not that. AP is given. The second is what? AB. Means the whole thing is given. Be clear. The whole thing is given. They are not giving only this. But it's very simple now. They said the whole is 7. And in that my AP is equal to 3. What should
Sir,
be the
then 3
rest,
is to
student?
4.
3:4. Are you clear? If you are not able to
Yes,
follow
sir.
me, if you are not following me, what you can do? Simply put the first ratio as it is. Second ratio, 3 minus 7. Sorry, 7 minus 3. What is the answer? 4. That's all.
4.
No, nobody going to expect you have to tell all those things. All the things you draw the diagram, put 3:4. How you did, nobody worrying about that, right? You don't want to tell the teacher, this is the thing. That's why I did. No one wants to hear all those story. Clear or not? I am teaching you because you should know how this is coming. Clear or not? Any doubt? Priyanka, any doubt? You are not asking anything. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
It's clear. Now, how are you going to find this point, guys? Hereafter it's same. Correct or not? I don't want to say anything. As I mentioned, starting is different. Rest is same. Same mantra. What is that? Denominator 3 plus 4. Denominator 3 plus 4. Right. What is the value? 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, minus 8. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 4 into minus 2, minus
12.
Here, you tell me,
Minus 6.
instead of writing formula, this way is easy or not? You tell me. Instead of writing mx2, you will write then you will substitute the value. Tell me, is that way is easy? Just visualize this easy, which is easy and quickly and give more accuracy.
So what we are doing now is easy, sir.
Yes, easily we can do that. Mistakes will not happen. That's what I'm saying. The mistakes, chances of mistakes is very less. Okay. 6 minus 8 is what, student? Minus 2 by 7.
Minus 2 by
Minus 20 by 5. What is the answer? Minus 2 by 7, minus 4. Crystal clear or not?
Sir, not 5.
Huh? Oh, sorry.
7, right?
So 7
I
minus
saw
20 by
that 5.
7.
Okay. So minus 20 by 7. You see here. That's what, guys. See here, careless mistake. Anyone will do the careless mistake. That's why we cannot give the assurance of centum. Even though you know the concept very well, there is a chances of careless mistake. Very, very important. So make sure that, I'll tell you a lot of shortcuts, tricks, how to correct, capture your mistakes. Okay. Psychologically, I'll teach you, don't worry, right? How to prepare your mind so that you will not do any careless mistake. Right, dear student? Clear or not? So guys, as I mentioned, right, the difficult flavor, this one. I think the rest of things is same, student. Rest of things very easy. You can do it. Okay, nothing to worry. Try to do it. Okay, doubts you can ask in the next class. Provided, right, you have to try and ask the doubt. Clear or not? Don't ask any questions that I don't know. I know. You try your level best. Clear or not? Accept the challenge. Try different ways. You can refer some material. But still you are not clear with that, come back to me. Clear? Guys, in 1 hour, we finish the section formula. So according to that, section formula is over. So as I promised, even though it's deleted, I will teach this because super formula you should know in your life. Okay, whether you are going to apply this in your exam somewhere, scoring marks or not, but a beautiful formula is going to give you, find the area, student. The power of coordinate geometry is this, student. The power of coordinate geometry. You should feel it. You should feel it. What is the power of coordinate geometry? Guys, I'm going to put something. If I ask, what is this area? What you will do? How you will measure? Because even standard measure is very difficult, correct or not? If I ask, what is the area of circle mean? You will say pi r square. Somebody will say 2 pi r also.
Pi r square.
Okay, what is the area of triangle? What is the
Half into
area
base
of,
of
Half into base
area
into
of trapezium? Anyone knows that? What is the area of trapezium? Let's see that. Anyone knows that? What is the area of trapezium?
They're half into
Go on.
some of
Gone. That's what, guys, that is what. Even we don't know, even we forgot the standard formula of these standard shapes. If I give you like this, do you know how to find the area? No. But
sir.
coordinate geometry is going to do the magic, student. Coordinate geometry is going to do the magic. So, guys, do you remember that in some the children, when you are in third or fourth, they will give you some dot. You will join the figures like this. Do you remember that? You will join.
Yes,
Wherever
sir.
particularly
Yes,
the turning point, you will particularly put the turning point. Here 1 point, here 1 point, here 1 point. Guys, okay, maybe I'll give you. Okay, guys, can I convert this into this? Anyone can tell me what is this shape? Don't worry about the original shape. The one which I'm drawing, what is this shape? What is this? What is this?
polygon, sir.
What is
Polygon.
it is? So any irregular shapes can be converted into polygon. Agree with me or not? No, sir, here some accuracy is missing. If you introduce one more point, the accuracy we will get, correct or not? If you want more accuracy, more vertices. Yes or no? More vertices. Yes or no? Beautiful formula, student. You can apply really. How to measure the area of these curves. You know, the land can be anything, na? The land can be any size, correct or not? People don't know how to measure the area, clear or not? But all you need to do, find some corner points and make such a polygon which is more closer to the real shape, clear or not? The polygon is not the actual size, but it's more close to the real shape, yes or no? More close to the given shape, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I am going to give you a formula for finding this area, will be equal to approximately equal to the area of that one. So now the question is, sir, how come, sir? Even this is polygon, we know that. This polygon, we know that. We don't know how to the formula. Then how are you going to find these kind of things? Clear or not? But there is one formula, student. If I give you one formula that will address all the question, means will you be happy? Will you
Yes,
happy?
sir.
Yes, student, my dear student. The great about coordinate geometry. I really don't know why they deleted, because it's very, very important, student. You should feel it. How this coordinate geometry is powerful. Clear or not? Guys, the moment I put this in a Cartesian plane, sir, how to prepare a Cartesian plane? Guys, you can prepare in your land. Take one reference point, put two lines. Are you okay? What is this point? What is this point with reference to this? Yes or no? What is this point? Can you tell me? This is horizontal distance and this is vertical distance. By using these two measurements, can you put this point? Can you put this point? What is this? Clear or not?
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
x1, y1. Similarly, can you put all the point? What is this point? X horizontal distance and vertical distance. Are you clear? Vertical distance will give you this point. Clear or not? So like this, the moment I put in the Cartesian plane with reference to a point, I can easily mark all these corners. Are you clear? How many
This-
corners are there? That is called as that side polygon. If you have 7 corner point, you say 7-sided polygon. If you have n side, means n-sided polygon. Agree with me? These are all 8th standard. Correct or not? 8th standard polygon. So many rules. Have we learned? Forgot, sir. How come, sir? 10th portion we finished last month. You are asking now. We forgot. How come you are asking something we learned in our 8th standard? Okay, we should know. That's the beauty of maths. Guys, agree with me or not? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Any shape can be converted into n-sided polygon. Any shape. If you want more accuracy, create more vertices. The moment I can create n-sided polygon, I know how to put the point for all vertices. Yes or no? That's also agree. Two things everyone will be agree with me or not. One is any shapes can be converted into n-sided polygon, and that all the vertices can be marked using the Cartesian plane. If you agree with me, I'm going to give you the formula, not a derivation, again directly a formula. Right, guys, area of polygon equal to half into x1, y1. Dejeshwar, are you there? Dejeshwar? Dejeshwar? No, he's not there. Okay. So, guys, how many points will be there, student? Area of n-sided polygon. N points will be there, correct or not? N
Yes,
vertex will be there. That's why I put what? After putting x side, I put x and y1. Maybe if 7-sided, you will get 7 point like this. Agree with me or not? 7 points like this.
Yes, sir.
Guys, the beauty of this, in this, you have to write the first point again. If I say, this is the formula for area of polygon, will you agree? Sir, okay, sir, how to put the point? We are okay to arrange. After that, how to simplify? That I will teach you later, no problem. But are you okay this formula? Very simple. First point, second point, third point, up to n point. But repeat the first point again. repeat the first point again. There is a rule, student. There is a rule, but it's not compulsory. There is a rule is always mark the point in anti-clockwise direction. Means if you are starting this point, here, what is the next point you have to write? This point. This you should not come like this. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
You have to come with the point. How to mark? You can start anywhere.
Anti-clockwise.
You can start here also, but you have to come to counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. You should not come like this. If you are coming like this, the negative sign will be there. Clear or not? So better we have to follow the rule. Whoever developed this formula, we have to really thank that person. Clear or not? And we should respect whatever he instructed. Correct or not? He or she. I don't know who derived this, but it's a beautiful formula for finding the area of polygon. In that, there are two subsets. Only two things you are going to learn. What is that, sir? From here only. Guys, anyone can tell me if the same thing having three-sided polygon means that is called as what? Triangle. Agree with me or not? Instead of n-sided, the n is 3 means what? It will become, the polygon will become what? Triangle.
Triangle.
Anyone can change this formula for triangle. Triangle, how many vertices it will have? 3 vertices. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. That's all.
X1, Y1.
X1, Y1.
Are you clear? That's all. This is area of triangle. Can I write area of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is what? 4 vertices. Can you rearrange? Can you change the formula? x1, y1, x2, y2,
X2, Y2, X3, Y3,
y3,
X4,
x4,
Y4,
y4.
X1, Y1.
X1, Y1.
Can you write the same formula for pentagon, hexagon? Right? Any shapes you can write, and I said you can apply this practically. So when whoever having lot of lands and properties, you don't know how to measure the area, maybe your parents are struggling, all you need to do, tomorrow you can go to the field and make one reference point, take a measurement tab, just you put all the roughly you put the corner points. Clear on, and take all the points. What I need, student? All I need this coordinates, correct or not? If I know all corner points, I'm going to put in this formula, answer is ready. Answer, sir, how to find the answer? That I'm going to teach you, student. Any doubt from anyone? Doubts are welcome. Doubts are welcome. Vijay Sriram, are you following everything? Even though you are night student, but it's not so difficult. You can easily follow.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Right. I can see Ania. Okay, then Anushri, Srishti. Srilekha is clear, right? Then Mehul.
Yes, sir.
Omkar also joined, but he left. Okay. Right. Okay, good. In your what? But I'm not going to solve all the difficult questions, student. Just maybe at least in the beginning, you all learn this formula and you tried using your own formula, correct or not? So instead, I'm going to use this box method to find the area of triangle. Crystal clear or not? Crystal clear or not? Coming to here. What is that? Find the area of triangle whose vertices of this. Okay. So let's start. Area of triangle equal 1 upon 2. What is that? 1 minus 1, correct? Minus 4, 6. Minus 3, minus 5. After that, what I need to do? 1 minus 1. Sir, is that necessary? Can I start? You can start with any point, no problem. You can start with any point. Guys, this step is clear or not? I'm going to teach you how to get the value or what kind of operation you are going to do. Someone attend already linear equation with me. I teach this. Something called
That is division or what, sir? 1 by minus 1.
That's what, guys. Wait. I had to teach. If you know linear equation, Kramer's rule, there I teach this method already. You guys can join there. Okay, so 1 upon 2. Guys, I'm going to teach. Listen carefully. This is a beautiful method in 11th standard. So many formulas based on this. Please remember. So many formulas based on this same rule. Okay, listen. Multiply this. Are you okay? Multiply this. 1 into 6 is what? 6. Minus 4 into minus 5 plus 20.
20.
Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Any doubt on this? Any doubt? Multiplying. This is the rule you have to follow. Okay. This is what the whoever developed the box method, you have to use this method. It's actually what? It's a substitute of formula. Instead of remembering hard, difficult formula, this way will help you anytime, student. Clear or not? This formula will help you anytime. Are you crystal clear? So now I'm going to put minus. Guys, one more is pending now. Here to here, here to here, here to here. Can you tell me what is the answer?
Why minus, sir?
Guys, that's what. It's actually beautiful formula. Some nonsense formula which is very difficult to remember, right? This is what rule you have to follow. Clear or not? If you want to use this box method, is this, then put minus, then going to the next step, multiply this. Are you clear? Multiply this. This is not a proved method, students. It's a substitute of your difficult formula. Are you clear? Instead of remembering the formula is derived properly. But instead of long formula, this is never you forget. Clear or not? You do not worry x1, y, nothing. Simply you put all the points. Just multiply this first. Up to down. Then minus, then down to up. What is the answer?
4.
Plus 4.
Plus 4 minus 18 minus 5.
Minus 18 minus 5.
Minus 5.
Clear or not? So 1 upon 2. What is the answer? Quickly, what is this simplification? 29. Correct or not? Correct or not? 29. What is this answer? Anyone can tell me? Minus 19. Because of this minus of minus, it will be plus 19. Agree with me or not? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, clear or not? Very simple now. This. Now, what is the answer?
Yes,
29
sir.
plus 19 is what? 30? 38 or 48?
48.
48.
48.
Yes. So the answer is 24. So 24 square units. Why, sir? Because it's area. Clear or not? Any doubt? Are you clear with the box method? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Very simple. Okay. Very simple. So sometimes if you are getting negative answer, student, then change that into positive. That's you will say what? Area cannot be negative. Correct or not? This kind of mantra you will write so many places.
Sir,
Area
we'll
cannot
get
be-
approximate answers only, right, sir?
Who said approximate answer? That you are saying from irregular. For this is a perfect answer for the triangle. How come you are saying approximate answer?
Sir, in the sense like practically if we'll get approx, right, sir?
Yeah. That's what. That's what you are saying that, sir, if I go to a field and if I'm converting that into polygon, yes, these areas are not included, na? Clear or not? So little difference will be there, but is more close to reality. How to increase your accuracy? Create one more point. So you join here, the accuracy will be increased. Correct or not? Correct or not? How many points you are taking, that much accuracy will be increased. But it's never be a correct, means equal to the real answer. But this is okay. The moment if any polygon, if you are pointing, it's a correct answer. Are you clear?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear? Now start. Area of, I want someone else quickly. 1 upon 2. 5 by 2. 4, 7. 7 minus
7
2.
minus
5, 2.
5, 2.
Tejeswar, are you there? Tejeswar is there. Check that Tejeswar is there.
No,
he's
sir.
not there. Okay. So who is ready to that? I'm just doing it for your knowledge, student. So start. 1, 2, 3. Start. 35 minus 60 plus 14. Correct? Minus 8
8 plus
14
40.
minus 20. Correct? So 1 upon 2. What is the answer? Quickly. Simplification, student. Quickly.
Sir, 7 and
Yes,
49,
yes.
right? sir?
49 only, no, sir.
Which one is? Am I doing? I
8
did some wrong?
This is 7.
Yes, sir.
8 plus
Where,
49
where?
8 plus 49.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, right. 49, na? 14. 7 sevens are 49. Yeah, right. Right. Now it's correct. Everything is correct. Guys, if I do some
Yes,
careless mistake,
Yes,
please
sir.
correct me. Okay. So now this resultant is -2. So -2, 35 minus 2, 3. Then this guy is -2. So 29 will come. 29 plus 8 is what? 29 plus 8, 37, right?
Yes.
Minus 37. So what you are getting, student? 1 by 2 to -4. The answer is what? The answer is what?
-2.
-2. But you have
Square
to
units.
equal to what? No. Don't put the answer in negative. You have to put the answer +2 square units. Very important, student. Don't give the answer in the negative way. All you have to say, area is positive or area cannot be negative. Area cannot be negative. Are you clear, student? Are you clear? Area cannot be negative. See, tell me, instead of remembering this formula, this is easy or not? This is easy or not? Guys, I'll take
Easy,
one
sir.
problem which given in your textbook. Area of quadrilateral. You know that they are doing what? They are finding quadrilateral. They are splitting quadrilateral into 2 triangles and applying the triangle formula and finding the answer. If they are using n-sided polygon, you see here triangle formula they will use. You see, sorry, n-2 triangle. Clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
N-sided polygon, how many triangles will be there? Hectic, correct or not? But we have beautiful formula, correct or not? So now tell me, direct formulas for the area of quadrilateral. At all? At least no school teaches student. No other, no. None of your school. Right. Coming to that. 1 upon 2. Who is ready? Guys, very simple. Triangle mean 3 point, you have 1 more point. Quadrilateral mean 4 point, you have 1 more point. Crystal clear or not? Guys, yes or no? Quickly. Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka, you tell me. First bracket, you are going to say that. Multiply and tell me the answer. Priyanka, are you there? 25. Yes, multiply. 25. You didn't listen. Have you listened or not?
24, sir. 24, sir.
24. Yes, plus 24. Next.
-5.
Plus 5.
28. Next one.
Yes, think a lot. Quickly, 28. Okay. Someone else who can tell me this direction. Someone else who is willing to come. Some new student, right? Srilekha or Srilekha. No response. Maybe someone from 9th. Someone. Oh, sorry, student. I got disconnected. I'm not sure to whom I asked the question. To whom I Sri Vaishnavi, correct? Sri Vaishnavi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
28
can you
minus
just tell me the
28
answer?
minus 28.
Minus minus 28. Yes, minus
Plus
28.
5.
Next, plus 5.
Plus 5. 24.
Yes, correct.
Minus
Next,
22.
minus
Minus
4.
minus
Minus
25.
25.
25.
Excellent, excellent. Great, 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 great. Guys, what is this answer? Anyone can simplify and tell me? 25, 24. What is this? 28. Anyone can tell me? What is the answer, guys? Simplify and tell me the answer. Guys, this is 49 student.
72.
49. 72. Thank you. And you see here, guys, the beauty is the see here, same answer is repeated, only changes sign. You will get minus 72. So minus or minus? Plus 72. Guys, 72 plus 72, if you cancel, 172 is your answer. Or you can put 172 plus 72, 144. So the remaining answer is 72 square units. Easy or not? Guys, same 4-line answer. Same 4-line answer. But in your textbook, you know that it is given in a big formula way. Clear? Clear, student? Clear? This method is clear or not? Again,
Yes,
I'm not
sir.
saying that. I'm not
Clear,
telling
sir.
you just for mark. See here, they are split into 2 triangles and did that. It's really a hectic work, right? Any doubt from anyone? Any doubt from anyone?
No, sir.
144.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, so very important, square units also. 4 lines, 4 more question, repeated question, but unfortunately they have deleted. Okay, but here this formula not only will help for this student, also it will help you to prove the point collinear. Maybe that kind of question asked in your board exam. They will give you 3 points and they will ask you to prove the points are collinear. Sir, collinear means what, sir? Guys, you know very well. Correct or not? Collinear means all 3 points are in the same line. I think we
Straight
discussed.
line.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir, in the introduction.
Yeah, introduction we discussed. Correct or not? Yes. So all the points are in the same line. That is called as collinear. So in general, what is the distance formula? Will say sum of 2 smaller distance equal to the third distance. But that is hectic, na? But instead of that, if the points are collinear, that triangle, area of triangle formed using that point will be 0. Agree with me or not? Guys, that is why I asked how many points you need to draw a triangle. Means you all said 3 points. Then I said no, 3 points. Can you make a triangle using this? No. You need 3 non-collinear points. You have to say what? 3 non-collinear, because only when the points are not collinear, you can form a triangle. Some area will be there. So in that case, what you can do, if at all you are finding the area by using this collinear point, the answer will be what? Area of triangle is what? 0. So now tell me, proving area of triangle, proving the points are collinear using distance formula is easy, or prove through area of triangle is easy. Means area of triangle is easy because nothing, no square, nothing, no different. Directly you are applying the box and your answer has to be equal to 0. If it is 0, the points are collinear. Agree with me or not? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Take one question, last question, which is from a distance formula, which is using a distance formula. I will use that and I will show you that yes, the points are collinear and you can easily prove that. Okay, easily prove that the area of triangle. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, I'll take a point. Okay, the question is from where? Question is from your distance formula. So at least what I'm trying to say, this is part of your distance formula. So distance formula is not deleted from your portion. So the question is possibility. Now the thing is that, sir, the distance formula they are asking is to prove collinear. I know that because of it's from distance formula. Can I use area of triangle formula? Because it's deleted. Guys, because of deleted means the question will not be asked, but you can answer. You can apply area of triangle concept. Are you clear? Are you clear? Now, they're
We
asking
can do
you,
like that, sir. They'll not cut any marks, sir.
no. That's what you can use any. You can use any textbook, any method. You don't want to record according to your NCERT textbook. Are you clear or not? So Cbse,
Okay, sir.
it's very crystal clear, student. That's why I said now, don't afraid of anything. Do the things the best method. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. So how are you going to prove they are collinear? Simply you will take area of below. What you are going to find? Area of triangle. F triangle is what? 1 upon 2. 1 by 5.
1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2,
2
minus
minus 11. 1, 5.
1, 5.
Start. Quickly. 3.
10.
Minus 22.
Minus
Minus 10. How easy? Correct or not? 10. Minus 6.
minus 6.
Minus
11.
Minus
Yes, sir.
11. Correct or not? Now 1 upon 2. What is this answer, student? What is this answer? Can you tell me what is this answer? You remove 32 minus 3 is what? Minus?
29.
Minus what? Minus 29.
20.
What is this? What is this? Minus? Guys, what is the answer?
7. Minus 7.
Yes,
7 minus 7. So plus of, so plus 7.
plus 7.
Guys, this is not 0. So what is your answer? The points are not collinear. You don't want to show the answer. Simply you say not equal to 0. Therefore, given points are not collinear. Given points are not collinear. What do you say? Area of triangle not equal to 0, which means given points are not collinear. Easy or not, guys? Instead of distance, even though I made distance formula easy, correct or not? I made it easy, correct or not? Still, I am recommending this easy way to prove that the points are collinear or not. Any doubt, my dear students? So today 16 screens are over. Any doubt you have? No doubt means thank you so much. So the chapter is over, including what? The deleted portion we have taken. Clear or not? So today I'm going to share around 30 to 40 questions from this chapter. So make sure that you complete that. Then you can say confidently, you can say that yes, coordinate geometry done. This is what preparation, student. This is what preparation. Doing continuously. Whole year you are doing, still you are busy. What a nonsense we are doing. Clear or not? Take a chapter, prepare it, khadam over. Solve some 30 quality questions. Make sure they're done. Then go to next chapter. This is the way to prepare. Clear or not? Don't go to beyond. That is why we are all here. Clear or not? Why you need teacher support? You know what to prepare. You don't know what to prepare. Because so many things. If you open that tech guide, this guide means you don't know what to prepare. That is why we are here. We will select some good quality question. We'll share those questions. Finish that. If you have any doubt, ask in the next class. If no doubt, then I'll go to the next chapter. Okay. How quickly we are finishing this portion? I'll come for a revision. As I promised, we are going to be stay with you till your board exam. You know the date of mathematics exam? I think 18 or 20 something. Anyone remember that? 20? Anyone remember the date, students?
21 May, sir.
21 May. So you see here, 21st May. So which means what? Till you are 20, that previous day night, I'm going to be with you. Clear or not? So many revisions, so many worksheets, so many procedures. Make sure that utilize this course properly. Guys, I'm leaving the decision to you guys. Okay. The devotion, dedication, whatever mistake you have done, no problem. Complete trust. Follow me. Systematic coach. Your centum is clear or no. High marks is guarantee. I don't want, because sometime you'll do what? Careless mistake. But I'll give a nice tips how to remove your what? Careless mistake. I'll do my best, but rest is yours. Right? So I'm going to stop the recording.